Versatility in military aircraft. A closer look at multi-role fighters. Today we take a look at the USA F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 Lightning II, a cutting-edge fifth-generation multi-role fighter, stands as a pinnacle of modern aviation technology. Developed by Lockheed Martin, it is the result of extensive collaboration involving multiple countries. The F-35 is renowned for its versatility, advanced avionics, and stealth capabilities, making it a key asset for the United States and its international partners. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge military technology. Your support ensures we continue to bring you engaging content on the latest advancements in aerospace technology. Stay tuned for more exciting insights. Key features: stealth and low observability. The F-35 incorporates advanced stealth technology, reducing its radar cross-section and enhancing its ability to operate undetected in contested environments. Variants for different roles. The F-35 comes in three main variants: F-35A for conventional takeoff and landing, CTOL, F-35B for short takeoff and vertical landing, STOVL, and F-35C for catapult launches and arrested landings on aircraft carriers. This adaptability allows it to serve diverse mission requirements. Sensor fusion and avionics. With state-of-the-art sensor fusion capabilities, the F-35 integrates information from various sensors, providing pilots with a comprehensive and coherent picture of the battle space. Its advanced avionics contribute to situational awareness and mission effectiveness. Global partnerships. The F-35 program involves the collaboration of multiple countries, fostering international partnerships. Apart from the United States, partner nations contribute to the development and deployment of this advanced fighter, showcasing a shared commitment to global security. Specifications. Length varies by variant: F-35A, 51.4 feet, F-35B, 51.2 feet, F-35C, 51.5 feet. Wingspan, 35 feet. Height, 14.4 feet. Maximum takeoff weight varies by variant: F-35A, 70,000 pounds, F-35B, 60,000 pounds, F-35C, 70,000 pounds. Engines: single Pratt & Whitney F-135 afterburning turbofan. Thrust: approximately 43,000 pounds force. Maximum speed: Mach 1.6 plus. Operating range varies by variant: F-35A, 200 plus nautical miles, F-35B, 900 nautical miles, F-35C, 200 plus nautical miles. Service ceiling above 50,000 feet. Operational history. The F-35 has become a cornerstone of the United States military and is employed by various branches, including the Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps. It has seen deployment in different theaters, showcasing its adaptability and effectiveness in a range of missions. Global adoption. Beyond the United States, the F-35 has been embraced by numerous partner nations, reinforcing its status as a globally recognized and utilized fighter. Its export success underscores its appeal to a wide array of military requirements. Future prospects. The F-35 program remains dynamic, with ongoing efforts to enhance its capabilities. Continuous updates and improvements are part of the plan, ensuring that the F-35 Lightning II maintains its status as a leading-edge fighter for years to come. Conclusion and call to action. In conclusion, the F-35 Lightning II stands as a testament to the United States' commitment to technological innovation and military prowess. Its adaptability, stealth features, and international collaboration make it a formidable force in the skies. As we delve into the future of aviation, let's appreciate the strides made with the F-35. Thank you for exploring the remarkable capabilities of the F-35 Lightning II. If you found this information insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge military technology. Your support ensures we continue to bring you engaging content on the latest advancements in aerospace technology. Stay tuned for more exciting insights. This video is for educational purpose.